For the next one, AC blowing cold. So the AC unit right over there.
AC blowing cold?
AC blowing warm. Let's go see what's going on. Alright, so Steve and I went inside and turned the thermostat up down to about 70. It's about 84 degrees in the house. Here is our outdoor unit. We have just, looks like ambient temperature air. I don't think this compressor is running. Lines are just ambient temperature. Let's pull the disconnect. Let's get the cover off here and see what's going on inside. What do you want to bet? Dual capacitor?
Yeah, I think it is a dual capacitor.
Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that, baby. Look at that, all fried up right there.
Do we even know what it is?
We'll figure it out. Let's get the brush.
Gotcha.
Well, actually, hold on a second, because we'll make one trip to the truck. First, we're going to short the terminals. Wow, not even secure to the thing. That's probably what happened. Well, so the yellow went to the yellow, but this is an I don't know. So when you don't know, we have to refer to the videotape. And the videotape in this case is the compressor, which doesn't tell me anything. It is a Bristol compressor. And the condenser fan motor requires a, what kind of capacitor does it require? Condenser fan motor requires a, I still can't see. Cap. Right there. Cap is 5. A 5.0/370. If you look right there, 5.00370. So we need a dual capacitor. Now this condenser is a 2.5 ton based on the 30 by Carrier. We're gonna safely put in a 35.5. We'll try that and see what happens. All right, so let's get a 35.5 and get the brush, and we'll brush this out and see what happens. And we also got to replace the wire as well. So let me get the spade terminals. Alright, so I like to change the wire if it burns like that. It's pretty bad. So let's crimp in a new one from one of the T terminals up there to the new one, new dual cap. I guess I could just use this one. I wish I could read this, but I want to guess it's a 45. It could be a 45. You can't go by physical size, but compressor, fan motor. Well, like I said, we'll start with the 35.5 and see what happens. Bring this old Carrier to life.
Yeah. Old
Where's that bracket that was on here? There it is. Didn't even have the screws on there. Oh, I don't have any more 5/16 screws. I guess I gotta use one of those. Bring this down just a little bit right there. Good. So now, the blue is our Herm. Herm is there. Nice and snug. Brown is fan, which is there. This is our C. And this one's our C as well, which is going to compressor. I don't like that, so let me just recrimp on a new one there. That's gonna go right there. Well, let's see what happens. Like magic. Got good heat output. Again, it's like 85 degrees in the house. There you have it. Yeah, that's gonna blow away. Oh, there you are. Job complete.